Welcome to Alternative Therapy Clinic. This is Dr. Kaushik. Today let's do the Dalai Lama meditation, a very good meditation technique taught to us by His Holiness Dalai Lama. The procedure is sit quietly, calmly, close your eyes and relax. Visualize yourself on left side of your mind's eye as you appear in the moment of impatience, jealous, tense, and any other negative emotion or trait which you are having. So you have to visualize that you are sitting on the left side of your mind's eye as you actually appear in the moment of impatience, jealousy, tension, stress, and other negative traits which you are having at any moment. Now, visualize on right side of your mind. Visualize on right side of your mind's eye as you appear in the moments of patience, calm, happiness, peace, etc. That means when you have all the positive traits inside you, when your mood is good, when your motivation level is good, when you are thinking just the best for others, when you are at peace, when you are having patience, when you are calm, when you are so happy, visualize that part of you on the right side of your mind's eye. Also visualize your aura and yourself in both the situations. On the left side of your mind's eye, on the right side of your mind's eye. These are the two aspects you have to do, and your aura. Keep observing your aura and yourself in both the situations. Practice on and on left and right sides and then see the total. Practice on and on left and right sides. Left side is the bad part of you, right side is the good part of you, and then see everything in totality. His Holiness Dalai Lama says that just by seeing your negative left side, you will become so disgusted with yourself that you will automatically cease any of these actions and start doing and feeling the right side of the actions. Eventually, you will have peace, compassion, wisdom, good health, patience, etc. This meditation practice of Dalai Lama is one of the best antidote for those people who have a negative thinking. Accept your negativity. See all your negative traits on the left side and all your positive traits on the right side, and just keep observing yourself completely with your left side, right side, along with your aura and yourself. Just observe this. With this practice, you will eventually have peace, compassion, wisdom, good health, patience, etc. Thank you so much. This was Dr. Kaushik from AlternativeTherapyClinic.net.